So here we have this Furologee desk with 2 drawers, an outlet, and lights. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came in the box. There's quite a few pieces here. There's a tabletop piece and all the shelves, the drawers, a whole bunch of metal parts for the frame, a bunch of different nuts and bolts for hardware, LED strip lights, this power strip, and the instructions. So yeah, it looks like this is going to be a fairly in-depth build, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to use this timer to see how long it takes. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. I really like the way it came out. It wasn't too difficult, and it took about 44 minutes. As you can see, I got this in the rustic brown color, and I think it looks pretty cool. All these shelves and then the top are made of a particle board covered in laminate, which looks nice and is easy to clean. Then this frame is a powder-coated square tube steel, and then these drawers are just the standard fabric and hardboard, and they have plastic handles. There's this regular small drawer on top, and then this bottom drawer is a file drawer. Then on the right side of the desk are 2 shelves. This is a great spot for your PC. You can see there's lots of support under it. Then up top is a 4-foot monitor stand. You can probably put 2 monitors on here. And attached to the bottom of that are these strip lights that plug right into this power strip here. And you can control them using this remote. And it has a few different settings on here that you can switch between. Now, there's no diagonal bracing on the desk, but it is still pretty sturdy. There's only a little bit of movement. The top is also plenty strong enough to hold my weight. And the monitor stand in the center can hold 55 pounds, but that's definitely pushing it because it is bowing down a bit. I would have liked to see some more support under there, but not a big deal because monitors really don't weigh that much. But yeah, overall, it's a nice desk. There's lots of storage space. The top is pretty sturdy and it looks cool.